it's Lynn from Caravan Newbies, and today I'm just very quickly going to show you a modification that we've done to this little cupboard here. So Paul has put a shelf in which I store the toaster on and some chopping boards, but as most of you know, this here wire tray is absolutely useless because it doesn't. I wanted something that slides out. So Paul told me about a video that he had watched from Carefree Caravanning. They had gone to IKEA to get this slide out tray. So we've just been away and bought it, and he's going to install it. Once it's installed, we'll show you what it looks like. Hi, back again. My lovely husband has done the deed. So the toaster fits perfectly on the shelf, and then this wire tray which has been replaced by this lovely pull-out. So I've just got to decide what I'm going to be putting in there and storing in there, but it is now fit for purpose. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up if you like this. See you again soon. Bye.